Hey guys, this is Rima here, and today I'm here in the community called Travisso in the northwest side of Leander. And this is a home that I want to show you guys that has come up for a listing. So if there is a buyer out there that's interested, let me know because this will kind of come and go fairly quickly. Beautiful two-story house. This is the views you can see from the back right there. Again, this is Travisso. It's got great amenities. It's got the pool, the tennis courts, the fitness center, everything that you need over here with the hill country views. This one also has its own pool. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Let's see how this home looks from inside. But before we go ahead and begin, please do subscribe to my channel and press that like button, as I will be bringing you guys beautiful homes and the Austin lifestyle. Outside of the house, beautiful custom model. It's got the two side entry doors for the garage. It's a 3-car garage.